Here we go.
Is this a video doing?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. No.
Why not?
Video's annoying. Oh, no, it's cool.
Yeah, it'd be good getting loads of stuff.
Chumpy.
Watching myself back.
It's okay. I just hope you think so.
So we fair-pooned some queue jumpers a second ago.
Yeah. We've beat their short arm.
Oh, oh, oh. Ah!
You know there's going to be a comedy on this video.
Actually, got plain boring. Hello.
Oh!
No!
Oh!
Nick, first rapid victory.
Yeah.
No train.
Oh, what's the way over there, guys? Right, welcome back.
Oh!
Can't see a thing.
That's what she said.
Ready?
Oh! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh!
No! No! Safe as houses. Safe as houses. Safe as mansions. And we're now safe as water.
This is safe. Oh, dangerous place.
Oh, dangerous. Oh, no. Dangerous alert. Oh no. Jumping beyond us.
Spin me. Oh, what was that?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Please smile to the camera. Ow! I got slammed there. Ow. Oh no.
Anyway.
Double G's. So, would you like some tea and scones?
Some biscuits.
Oh!
On next week's agenda.
Dangerous place. Oh! Rinse, rinse.
Oh, you bastard.
Lovely day. And that concludes our video.
Yeah, it sure does. Let's get a shot of the queue jumpers. It was good.
These are queue jumping scum. Over there in that boat. Yeah, pricks. So, final word, Steve?
Toast.
Matt?
Cheese. Cunts.
Chumpy.